Hey, are you okay? Aw, don't worry, it's just a little rain and thunder. Nothing to be scared of. Hiding under the covers now, huh? Hey. She's so cute when she's scared. What am I thinking? It's alright. It'll go away sometime soon. Is there anything you want me to do to help keep you not scared? Alright. Come closer. He hugs you and kisses your forehead. Better? You do realize that I'm kind of like thunder and electricity, right? Along with my god speed and other things. So how come you're not afraid of that, but you're afraid of thunder and rain? Makes more sense. Well, at least we're not in the flooding area. That's good. What else can I do to help cheer her up? I have an idea. Hey, do you want me to get in that maid outfit again? Well, last time I wore that thing, it made you laugh. Okay, I'll be right back out. After Killua changed. Okay, stop laughing, Baka. Do you want me to keep it on for the rest of the day? Are you, huh? You just want me to sleep? Alright. You two cuddle and then sleep for the rest of the night. Hey guys, so, welcome back to another Killua X listener video. Sorry about the untitled videos. My tablet kept on doing weird things, but other than that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos and hit the notification bell for more. And if you haven't noticed, I'm a bit immune to, well, not immune, but I just really love thunder and rain, so that's why I have this audio on, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.